2016 INFINITI QX60. The INFINITI QX60 is the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. This crossover SUV not only provides ample space for passengers and cargo, but also an interior that screams luxury. In addition, the QX60 offers extremely high levels of safety, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, brake assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.